Hi guys, it's me Lisa. Today I want to show you my super popular design with airbrushing. So I prepare my nails with neon yellow and I apply already my top for my design for airbrushing. So I used to pastel blue, so I spray on the center of my nail. Then I use just blue, normal blue, primary color. So I used a more already close to cuticle, but little bit over my previous color, yeah. And I doing all this finger, all my 5 finger, same design. So now it's, you see, it's already shown me like a 3 colors, yeah. But I just spray like 2. So next one is going to be purple. So why I'm using the purple color? Purple color is for the deepness, yeah? I need more deep on the cuticle area. To fix everything, I using acid-free primer, cuticle area, and I using soak off top. Top should be with stick layer. It's gonna be for your designs lasting longer. And I'm using my brush, cuticle area, make all this application even. Curing in a lamp like 2 minutes or 30 seconds, that is up to your lamp. Of course, I clean in with just baby wipes, or I'm applying alcohol 70% of that, so you can wash it out. So it's just acrylic paint, there's nothing special over here. Yeah, it's gonna be wash out everything. So yeah. So of course, how you like it, just tell me what the results, because I love it. Thank you so much. Love you guys.